Okay, let's be real for a second. Have you ever looked at your bank account like a week after payday and just felt that pit in your stomach, that where did it all go feeling? Well, today we are going to completely transform that feeling. We're going to take your paycheck from something that just vanishes into thin air and turn it into a powerful, automated tool for building actual wealth.
We've all been there, right? It's that question that just haunts you. You work so hard, the money finally hits your account, and then, poof, it's gone. But listen, this is not your fault. It's not because you lack willpower, it's because you lack a system.
Now get ready for this, because this number is kind of wild. If you're an average person making about $50,000 a year, over your working lifetime, you will earn over $2 million. Yeah, $2 million will flow directly through your hands.
And here's the kicker. This is where it gets tragic. That same person, after earning millions of dollars, often retires with less than $90,000 in savings. So the real question isn't just, where did my last paycheck go? It's, where did the other 1.9 million go?
See, this isn't a personal failure. It's a system failure. Most of us were just never taught how to command our money. The whole economy, it's basically designed to snatch your paycheck before you can even think. So today, we're building a new system, your system.
The brutal truth is this. Every single dollar that hits your account is immediately drafted into one of two armies. One army builds your wealth, and the other one, well, it destroys it. And the winner of that war is decided in the first 48 hours after you get paid.
Okay, so let's really dive into this, because this right here is the single most important mindset shift you need to make to win that war. We have to completely redefine what your paycheck is actually for.
So most people get their paycheck and immediately use it to buy stuff, to fund their lifestyle, and then they just kind of hope there's something left over to save. But people who build wealth, they do the exact opposite. They use their paycheck to buy assets, to build a system that then funds their lifestyle. It's a totally different outcome from the exact same starting point.
This simple quote holds the secret to everything. It's not about being cheap or restricting yourself, it's about the order of operations. And the system we're building today is designed to make this powerful principle happen automatically, without you even having to think about it.
All right, so what does this system actually look like? Don't worry, it's not some complicated spreadsheet that you're going to give up on in a week. It's a really simple, super effective 3-bucket framework for giving every single dollar you earn a specific job to do. We're going to divide your income into 3 really clear categories. First up, fundamentals. This is your absolute needs. Second, future you. This is where the wealth is built. And third, fun. This is your guilt-free spending money. Now, you've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule, and it's a good starting point, but let's be honest, with today's economy, it might look more like 60-20-20. The key is just knowing your numbers. And listen, the future you bucket is completely non-negotiable. This is the most crucial step. You pay this bill first, just like you pay your rent. When you prioritize saving and investing before you figure out your fun money, you guarantee progress. I'm telling you, this one habit changes the entire game.
Okay, but a common roadblock people hit in that future you bucket is high-interest debt, right? Like credit cards. It can feel like a total anchor holding you back. So what's the most effective way to cut that chain and really start moving forward?
What's really interesting here is that there's not one single right answer. The Avalanche method, well, it saves you the most money on interest. It's mathematically the best way to go. But the Snowball method gives you these quick, motivating wins that can, help you stay in the fight. The best method is the one you'll actually stick with, period. So, you've got your buckets. You have a plan for debt, but how do you make all of this happen without relying on pure, raw willpower every single day? This is the secret weapon. You build a machine. You automate the whole thing. Think about it. Every time you have to decide whether to save or spend, you're using up mental energy. By automating your financial system, you make the smart choices the default setting. Your money just flows to the right places without you lifting a finger, protecting you from those impulse buys and that dreaded decision fatigue. This is your paycheck's new mission. On day 1, it lands. By day 2, before you've even had a chance to spend it on a whim, a chunk of it is already deployed to your future you bucket. By the time your big bills get paid, your wealth building for the month is already done. It's amazing. Now, here's a crucial point. This automated system isn't some black box you just set up and never look at again. No, it's a living habit. And to make sure it's always working for you and align with your life, it just needs a simple, super quick monthly checkup.
This is all about building awareness, not about feeling bad. On the last Sunday of the month, make it a ritual. Grab a coffee, pull up your accounts, and just spend 15 minutes. That's it, reflecting on where your money actually went. This isn't about judgment, it's about learning.
You just ask yourself these simple questions. Where did I overspend and why? Maybe you were overspending on takeout because you were too tired to cook. Okay, maybe meal prep is the answer. Is that subscription I'm paying for actually bringing me any joy? This quick check-in lets you make these small, powerful tweaks for the next month, making sure your system grows with you. So, as we wrap up here, I just want to leave you with this one final thought. Your paycheck isn't just income, it's a resource. It's an army of workers just sitting there waiting for your command. After today, you have the system, you have the strategy. The only question left is, when it arrives, what will be its first order?